The Liven app is all about turning everyday dining into rewards instead of just paying for meals. You earn instant cashback called Liven points every time you eat at a partner restaurant. This can be cafes or bars. Those points can be used to pay for future meals or even donated to charity. It's a smart idea that makes dining out more rewarding without needing to mess around with coupons or complicated loyalty programs. Using Liven is simple. Just link your card, find a restaurant through the app, and pay as usual. The cashback is added to your account automatically, and you can see your balance grow as you dine. The app also features deals, trending spots, and restaurant recommendations, making it a great discovery tool for frequent foodies. It's a fun way to save or try new places. That being said, Liven has a few downsides. The number of participating venues can vary depending on your city, so smaller areas might have fewer options. Some users also mention occasional app glitches or delays in cashbacks appearing. And while the Liven points are valuable, their worth can fluctuate based on how you redeem them. Overall, Liven is a great app for anyone who enjoys eating out and wants to get rewarded for it. It's safe, easy to use, and adds real value to your dining experience. If you love food, discovery new restaurants and earning cashbacks while you're at it, Liven is definitely worth downloading.